A very good morning, dear Shemstars. Welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are safe. Children, today we are going to begin with our next chapter. Let's begin. Okay, Shemstars. So today we are going to begin with our next chapter, lesson 6, that is more on MS Paint. In this, we are going to learn about how to open Paint. Then we are going to learn about the parts of the Paint window, different tools of Paint and their functions, adding text in our picture. So let's have a quick look at it. Fun with Paint. So we are going to learn about Microsoft Office Paint. So computers are useful for work and studies, but they can be great tools for fun too. If you're talking about MS Paint, when drawing on a paper, you need your art book, pencils, eraser, paint or crayons, etc. When making a drawing on a computer, we need a program called MS Paint. So this is the icon of Paint. How to open MS Paint? To start the program on the desktop, find the Paint icon and double-click on it. Alternatively, you can click the Start button and choose the Paint program from the menu. MS Paint window. It's a powerful image editing tool. You can save images, edit them, change their size, etc. with this program. On opening the program, the Paint window appears. The components of Paint window are Title bar, Paint button, Home tab and View tab. The ribbon displays the group of each of these tabs. Paint tools. Paint has many tools to help you draw and edit your drawing. You can find Paint tools in the Tools group of Home tab. It contains the following tools: pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color and text. Pencil tool. It is used to draw with free hand as you draw using a pencil on your drawing book. Now, to make a simple drawing by using pencil tool, follow the given steps. Click on the pencil tool from the Tools group of Home tab. Now, mouse pointer turns into a pencil. As you move your mouse pointer on the canvas, the pencil will start drawing. Eraser tool. It is used to erase the unwanted parts of your drawing. This is similar to the eraser you use for pencils. However, this eraser tool can erase all marks of all colors. Now, fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to color your drawings. There are two color options, color 1 and color 2. To change color 1 or color 2, click on the color 1 or color 2 and then choose a color from the color palette that is given. The respective color 1 or color 2 will change. Here color 1 is set to brown and color 2 is to green. To fill color 1, click left mouse button, and to fill color 2, you have to click right mouse button. Now text tool. It is used to write text in your drawings. To write text on the canvas, click text tool from the Tools group. Move the mouse pointer to the canvas area. You will notice that the shape of the pointer has changed. Click on the canvas where you see the text and a rectangle box will appear. Now start typing from the keyboard, like you may want to label your drawing as mountains. You will see the color of the text is brown as color 1 is brown. We can draw different shapes with the help of Shapes tool. These are rectangles, ovals, stars, and many other shapes are available. Now let's learn about curve tool. Curve tool is used to make curved lines in the drawing. It's a bending line drawn on the canvas. With the help of this tool, you can draw perfect curves on any part of your drawing. To draw a curve, click on the curve tool in the shapes group. The cursor will change to crosshair shape, select color and the required thickness. Now go to the canvas area and draw a straight line on the canvas. Take your cursor to the position that you want to curve. Click and drag the mouse till the desired curve is obtained and then release the mouse button. Repeat the above step if you want to bend the line from some other place. Remember that you can curve the line only twice. Now a dotted rectangle will appear around the shape to tell you that the shape has been finalized. Now airbrush, it offers a lot of interesting brush types. One of these is airbrush and it is really cool to use. It is used to give a look of spray painting in the drawing. And to use airbrush tool in your drawing, click on the home tab again, click the pull down button on the brushes tool. Select airbrush from the brushes as shown. Now select color of your choice from color 1. Move mouse pointer to the canvas. Click the mouse button where you want to spray the color. You can go back and choose different colors to spray paint with multiple colors. You can also paint a Christmas tree now by following these steps. So this is Shemstars, how you can draw different shapes in paint brush. Practice till you feel that you have understood about all the tools of paint brush. So perfection comes only with the practice. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.